Welcome back to Myth versus Fact. Do humans have a natural tendency to seek social connections? Can stress impact a person's physical health? Is it possible for people to form biases unconsciously? Do all humans experience emotions? Can practicing gratitude improve overall well-being? Are humans capable of altruistic behavior? Is decision-making influenced by emotions? Can positive thinking affect a person's outcome in life? Do humans have an inherent need for meaning and purpose? Can early childhood experiences shape adult personality traits? Please like, share, and subscribe.